Hello everyone, welcome to Ningbo Sunshinelux. This is Mr. Xia. Today I would like to show our LED floodlight for you.
Our PIR sensor floodlight with a full range. This is our normal sensor. It can adjust the angles according to your request. The sensor degree have 120 degrees and 180 degrees. Next, let us show you how to install it. This is our angled bracket. You can easily directly install this floodlight on the wall. Let's light it up. You can see that the lamp have a high lumen, about 100 lumen per watt. We can adjust the time or sense or lux of the sensor.